Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to add a product list to the layout page. So let's open Visual Studio and open our project. Click File, Open, and File, Product List, MVC, Organic Master. We open the index and right click, View in Browser. We have to decide where to put our product list. It depends on you. You can put here or put it here. So I decide to put it in this area. So right click, inspect, double click, copy back to Visual Studio and Ctrl F, Ctrl V, file right here. On organ, fresh meat, vegetable. That's it. On organs, fresh meat, vegetable, fast food. It is the place we want to put our product to display. So copy it, Ctrl C, go back to layout organic, scroll down, right here, Ctrl V, and system. This, okay, cut it, and paste it here. Save. The next step is to update our index page. So go to Home Controller, right click, go to View, delete it, and right click, inspect, and we want to put the item here. So let me check it. Right here, right click, copy element, and go back to Visual Studio, Ctrl V. Okay, close the index and model list list product management data product, because we put the data contact in the folder data product, so we have to define it right here, db product. For each via item in model, cut it and paste it here. Item product selling price, unit selling price. Oh, cut, put it here. Item product name, save, and go to home controller, and we need to update the action result. Choosing data, choosing product management, data product, and display variable. Database product store context dt new database product data context. Và dbProduct dt dbProduct to list return dbProduct. Save and build the solution. Okay, run the solution. Right. This display the name of the product and the price of the product. We need to display the image of the product. So stop it, and we need to copy the product image. I repair the folder product image here. I will put it in the link below in the YouTube channel. You can download it. So right click, copy, and back to Visual Studio. This solution explorer. Let's work by root. Right click, paste it here. Okay. And the next step is to display the product image. So right here, delete it. Product image. Right click, copy. URL content. Item. Product picture. Save. Right here, it's display. And we need to put the two decimal number before after the price. We need the two decimal numbers, so we need to update our index again. To string. Save. Refresh. Not refresh. Build. Okay. Let's have the two decimal number after the integer. This is the end of my video. In the next video, we will implement the paging. So thank you for watching. See you next time.